The MOT modernisation programme was to replace the existing contract that was a 10-year PFI outsource contract, and that finished in September this year. So the project was to replace that with a new modern MOT solution. New service is, over a period of 10 years, going to be over £100 million cheaper, less expensive. Overall, the service will take around 30 million MOTs a year, and under peak load we're looking at over 1 million MOTs in a week. KNOS have been an integral part of the project throughout, and it's enabled us to switch off the MOT1 service on time as planned in September this year. So the new service is web-based. The old service was based on dedicated hardware. The old service, you had one terminal per garage. The new system, garages are able to have multiple terminals or multiple computers running the service. We'll continue to work with the industry to improve the service and further develop new features for the service.
Yeah, the switchover was pretty easy. All went to plan. We had a bit of assistance from the help desk. Created new accounts and straight on, no problem. Yeah. Retest is a lot easier to select the boxes and makes the test a bit quicker. The system being a bit quicker to use, you can get through more tests, but a bit faster, a bit more easier to navigate around, so it does make things a lot easier.